What we have here is a Nutone Hacienda. 52-inch, black. With, yep, those fun cherry blades, solid cherry point tip blades. Anyway, let's see what it does. It has a bell canopy, making it a relatively early one, maybe from about 83 at the latest, maybe 84. Black Nutones are not very common things, so this is nice. All the spinner Nutones of the earlier era, or like maybe they say late 70s, no, early 80s, mid 80s, were made by Safer, including this one. Yeah, that's the bushing squeaking from the wobble. That chunk. The Hacienda was Nutone's answer to the Hunter original, apparently. Or at the very least, it was a reproduction of GE's own fan. And you can see that tapered switch housing. It's nice. And a nice little cap. Now to medium. Now, Safers, in general, they have a relatively fast low speed and are relatively slow on high. The difference, the low speed is, the reason the low speed is relatively fast is because Nutones, or, Safer made Nutones of the older era, early to mid 80s, use, choke-based lower speeds. So there's a speed coil in the switch housing for the speeds, and unfortunately speed coils aren't really known for slow speeds. So, yep. It's relatively normal medium, at least. Now the high. I want to say it does about 185 RPM on high. Which actually isn't too bad, slightly faster than most Nutones. Apparently Nutones are known for capacitor issues, so it could be the reason why so many are slow, but this one, no issues to be found. So. And the cherry point tip blades are also uncommon, so both the finish and blade combo are weird. So. The blades have a slight upward pitch as well, which I find interesting. See, islands also have that upward pitch. But slimlines, veranda, deluxes, and such, no, they don't have it. The bearings are pretty good too. Considering how long the spin down time is. And there you have it, a black Nutone Hacienda with cherry point tip blades.